How to buy Razer Gold gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. And now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your phone or your PC and then search for amazon.com. Okay, here we go. Now you will come across the official page of Amazon. Now go to the search bar here. Then you have to type for Razer Gold e-gift card. Okay, here we go, and you can see various options here. But for now, we are going to choose the first option, which says Razer Gold e-gift card, and here we go. Now over here you can see various options. Now you can select any of the amount given below. The minimum amount here to choose from is $15. You can also customize your card, either it's for Christmas, for birthday or for graduation. Now apart from this, when you scroll down, you have two options you can see below delivery, either email or text message. You can select any of them. Now here, if you choose the option of text message here, you have to enter your contact details and your name. But for now, let me choose email here. Now in each of the fields, you have to enter the email of the person you want to send this gift card to and your name and what message you want this gift card to contain. Now if you scroll down below, you can see quantity here and you can choose the quantity of the gift cards you want to send. You can also choose your desired date in which you want the gift cards to be sent. So after doing all these processes, at last you have to just scroll down below and then tap on buy now. So that's how you buy Razer Gold gift card on Amazon. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.